Hi there, let me quickly show you something that can make property operations smooth and structured, even if you already have a website. See, most websites only handle the surface, maybe some listings or inquiry forms, but they can't handle real-time property tracking, inspections, rent flows, or contractor updates. That's why I created this Property Management Hub, a full internal backend to manage everything from one place. First off, the login process is super simple. It uses Google Sign-In so your team or clients can log in securely without passwords. Smooth and fast across all devices. Now let me walk you through the dashboard. Right here is the Properties section. This gives you a clean overview of every property in your portfolio. Names, types, addresses, rental amounts, all searchable and editable. Here you can see the property status is also mentioned. Next, we move into the Units section. This shows individual units within each property. You can track availability, rent status, and link each unit to tenants, landlords, and documents. Next, here's the Inspections module. Every inspection record is logged here, whether it's move-in, move-out, or mid-lease. You can track dates, inspection status, and upload reports or images. Now we come to the Contractors section. This lets you manage your vendors, plumbers, electricians, repair contractors, with contact info and task assignments all logged in one place. This is the Landlord directory. You can view ownership information, linked properties, contact details, and payment agreements, all clean and searchable. And finally, here's the Tenant Management module. This holds full tenant records, lease periods, rent status, contact info, and their assigned unit. It makes communication and tracking simple. So even if you already have a public website, this is what your backend has been missing. It works beautifully on mobile, tablet, or desktop, and brings your team real-time access to all the property data they need to move faster and stay organized. Want me to plug this into your current system or set it up for your agency? I've got you covered.